welcome. Today's gentle 16-minute Tai Chi practice is designed to support natural detox, improve circulation, and help burn belly fat. Move with ease, breathe deeply, and enjoy a calm, refreshing workout. Let's begin together now. Exercise 1. 3, 2, 1. Start. Begin in a wide squat. Open both arms outward, then rise and sweep them overhead. Keep your knees aligned, chest lifted, and movement smooth. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1. Begin. Bring the palms together in front of the chest. Then open both arms wide to the sides. Keep your chest lifted, shoulders relaxed, and movement smooth. Exercise 3. 3, 2, 1. Let's begin. Raise both arms overhead, then lower the elbows as you bend your knees and lift one knee. Keep your torso upright, core engaged, and balance controlled. Exercise 4. 3, 2, 1. Join me. Sweep both hands upward from the abdomen. Then open the arms beside the chest while gently leaning back. Keep your front knee aligned, core engaged, and movement controlled. Exercise 5. Three, two, one. Follow along. Hold both hands near the waist. Step one foot across the other and raise your forearms to chest height. Keep your torso upright, core engaged, and movement controlled. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Move with me. Raise both arms overhead, then sweep them forward and down while lifting one knee. Keep your torso upright, core engaged, and balance steady. Exercise 7. Three, two, one. Let's do it together. Place one hand gently on the upper chest and march softly in place. Keep your posture upright, shoulders relaxed, and breathing steady. Exercise 8. Three, two, one. Let's move together. Cross both arms in front, then sweep them upward overhead while stepping forward and lifting through the body. Keep your torso upright, shoulders relaxed, and movement smooth. Exercise 9. Three, two, one. Begin. Extend one leg to the side, hinge forward, and reach one hand toward the foot, while the opposite arm opens upward. Keep your back long, knees soft, and movement controlled. Exercise 10. Three, two, one. Let's begin. Hold both fists near the chest. Draw the elbows outward and step gently to one side. Keep your torso upright, shoulders relaxed, and movement steady. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Join me. Step into a forward lunge and sweep one arm upward while the opposite arm extends behind you. Keep your chest lifted, front knee aligned, and movement controlled. Exercise 12. Three, two, one. Follow along. Sweep one arm upward while extending the opposite leg gently behind you. Keep your torso tall, supporting knee soft, and balance controlled. Exercise 13. Three, two, one. Move with me. Step forward and press one palm outward while extending the opposite leg behind you. Keep your torso upright, supporting knee soft, and balance controlled. Exercise 14. Three, two, one. Let's do it together. Hold both fists near the chest and gently draw the elbows back while stepping lightly in place. Keep your spine tall, shoulders relaxed, and movement steady. Great job today. Thank you for practicing with me. Take a deep breath, relax your whole body, and enjoy the calm feeling you've created today. If you enjoyed this Tai Chi session, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Take care, keep moving, and I'll see you in the next workout.